Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for December. So it is a Luxe month. So if you want to see what I got, keep watching and let's open this bad boys up. Alright guys, let's start with the premium box and let's open her up. Let's see. So this is December's premium box. Boxycharm Premium. Hello, Charmer. So we got a card. So excited. And I see a palette right away. So excited. So let me put this down so I can pull out everything that's in the box. Let's see. So this one is going to be variation number 6. And this month is called Bubbles and Glitz. So cute. Alright, so let's get started. Let's see what we got. So the first thing I see is this big old palette. So it's called True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight Palette. True and Luscious Lucky Glow Palette. This anytime, anywhere summer essentials palette features ultra fine textures and pure pigments in a sheer base to create a veil of luminous skin loving color, where each luxurious handcrafted shade alone or blend together for a customized look. The MSRP for this item is $46. It has a 12-month shelf life, vegan, cruelty-free, and safety tested. So let's open her up and see what she looks like. Ooh, a nice big mirror. You're going to have a cardboard packaging. So these are the shades. Very pretty. I can't wait to try their formula. I have not tried this brand. Another brand I have not tried. True and Luscious from Lucky Glow. I think that's what it is. No, True and Luscious is the brand name. So let's see. The next item I pick up is going to be this Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. Anti-wrinkle multi-use eye mask. I need that. And I love Elemis. That is a good brand. So it's Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. The future of eye care is here, featuring the innovative cloud-like gel formula. This serum-infused eye mask is clinically proven to minimize the appearance of wrinkles while helping to reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. The MSRP for this item is $82. So I need this in my life. Yes. Let's see what it looks like. All the packaging. Super cute, super cute. I can't wait to try it. I'm almost out of the eye cream that I'm trying right now. Ooh, it's yellow consistency. Doesn't really have a strong smell, which is good for me. But I cannot wait to play with that. And the next item I pick up is going to be It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. This one is from Elizabeth Mott. It says the volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. The MSRP for this item is $20. So it's vegan, cruelty free, has the little bunny. It's so big. I'll show you the wand. Has a nice, really nice applicator. That's the wand on it. All right, so the next item I pick up is going to be from Fenty Beauty. This is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. High octane pigment meets unexpected universal shades to complement all moods and all skin tones. An ultra slim lipstick with a long wearing soft matte finish and weightless color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. The MSRP for this item is $18, so I'll go ahead and swatch that for you. Comes in her little packaging. If I could open it. Be nice. Woo! All right, so, ooh, look at that color. That is so pretty. All right, so the next item I pick up is going to be All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. Oh, I love me some brushes. So it's going to be from the brand Crown. It's called This 5-piece set provides all the necessary tools for the application of all eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. The MSRP for this item is $34.95. I love me some brushes, so I can't wait to play with these. And I need to clean my brushes tonight, so I'll be cleaning these so I can get some use out of them. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at the handles. It's like a rose gold color. So it's white with rose gold. And look how pretty. Pretty sturdy, a little scratchy. We'll see. I'm going to play around with them. I'll let you know. All right, the last item I pick up is from Viseart. I love their eyeshadow formula. This one is Neutral Mattes 01 12-pan eyeshadow palette. Viseart's all-time best-selling palette. This iconic coveted professional eyeshadow palette can be used for shading, highlighting, and defining eyes, brows, and the contours of the face. A true artist staple. A true artist staple. The MSRP for this item is $80. So I know that I think I chose this item. This is it. This is the Neutral Mattes. So it's all matte, which I'm not mad at. I can't wait to do an eye look with these shades. That will be coming up next. Alright, so that is all the items in my premium box for December. Alright, let's add it up and see what we got. We got the Viseart Neutral Palettes 01 12-pan eyeshadow palette, which was $80. Then we had the Elemis Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask, which is $82. And then the True and Luscious Lucky Glow palette, which was $46. Then we had the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, which was $18. And then we had the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe Brush Set, which was $34.95. I mean, why couldn't they just make it $35? I don't know. And then we have the Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara for $20. And that is a total MSRP for this box is $280.95. So that is really good. I'm really happy with that box. Let's get on to the next box. And let's see what we got in our Luxe. This is the Luxe box. So let's open her up and see what we got. Let's start picking it up. This is the same card. It's the Bubbles and Glitz month. It says C2012426 Luxe. That is the Luxe variation. All right, let's pick up these items and see what we got. So we got something from Sunday Riley. This is so good. This is a nice bougie brand. So Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin with skin brightening licorice. This super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even toned skin. The MSRP for this item is $85. So the next item that I pick up is going to be from Symbiosis. It's Symbiosis London Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask, a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask and cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten the delicate eye area. This eye mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid, puellulin, and shea butter, and works to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So I need that. Dark circles and fine lines. Yes. The MSRP for this item is $93, and this is a half of an ounce. So it better work. The next item that I pick up is going to be from Reza Be Obsessed. This is Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In, formulated with a gold-infused shield. This leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, key coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. The MSRP for this item is $22, so I'm excited to try that. The next item I pick up is going to be from Luxe, and we know it's brushes. Why? I think it's brushes. It smells like paint. It smells like a street paint. Oh, look how pretty the brushes are. They're all gold handle. I love Luxe brushes. They're so soft. I can't wait to try these. So excited. So this one is, it says Luxe Glitter and Gold Brush Set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. The MSRP for this brush set is $85. It didn't say anything about smelling like wet paint though. But it is nice. I can't wait to try these brushes. Alright, so let's get to the next item. The next item, oh, look how pretty. Oh, I'm excited. I'm not mad about it. Look how pretty that is. Is this my birthday present? Thank you, Boxy, for my birthday present. Alright, so this is from Zazzy by Stephanie Taylor. Cushion cut cubic zirconium halo stud earrings. These stud earrings feature brilliant 2-carat cushion cut cubic zirconias surrounded by sparkling pave halos. Say hello to your new favorite everyday, every occasion earrings. The MSRP for this item is $36. Alright, so the next item I pick up is going to be from Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Kiss. I think I picked this item. It is a tinted lip butter. So, ooh, I can't wait to try this. It smells so good. I just want to eat it. This is going to be very nice for my lips for the winter. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable with a scrumptious aroma of dulce de latte. MSRP for this item is $20. So I love this brand. The next item I pick up is going to be from Iconic London. This is a Blaze Chaser face palette, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition, plus blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for flattering candlelit radiance. The MSRP for this item is $55, so it's cardboard packaging, nice and sturdy, a big mirror, and this is the shade range that you're gonna get. Very pretty. I'm so excited. I got so many items to do some videos with, so many palettes. Alright, last but not least, I got the Hip Dot palette. This is the C Note. This is C Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. It says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of C Note, and homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. The MSRP for this item is $30. Oh, I can't wait. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Oh, this palette is cardboard with a nice big mirror. Oh, look at that. Look at those range of shades. Oh, I love all those colors. That is all me, all the way. I can't wait to play with this palette. Oh, I got lots of new eyeshadow palettes I can't wait to play with and do some ready, set, looks. All right, that was the last item in my Luxe for December. So let's add it up and see what we got. We had the Iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette, which was $55. Then we have the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment, which is $85. And then we have the Hip Dot C Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette, which was $30. And then we had the Luxe Glitter and Gold Brush Set, which is $85. And then we have the Zazzy by Stephanie Taylor Cushion Cut Cubic Zirconium Halo Stud Earrings, which is $36. Oh, thank you for my Christmas present, Boxy. Thank you. And then we have the Symbiosis London Tightening and Resplendent Eye Mask, $93. Then we have the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, which was $20. And then the Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In Hair Oil, which is going to be $22. And that is a total MSRP for this box is $426. So I am so excited. I think I got a lot of nice products. I am so excited. Thank you, Boxy, for my Christmas presents. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell to receive all videos that I'll upload. You receive all the notifications so you won't miss a thing. All right, guys, y'all stay blessed. Until next time.